rising tide of automation, trade problems, and lagging growth and productivity have slashed millions of jobs from the U.S. manufacturing sector. At the same time, a small factory in Massachusetts has been hiring, expanding, and exporting. Riverdale Mills hopes to grow further by making unusual products and building a strong workforce. VOA's Jim Randall reports.
Metal mesh dumped in tons of molten zinc here at Riverdale Mills in Northbridge, Massachusetts, an hour west of Boston.
We got 3 masses, 48, 10.5.
It's part of a complex process, making many kinds of rust-resistant products.
The electrodes look all nice.
While many factories are cutting workers, Riverdale's Dennis Miola is training new employees.
We have an experienced operator training a new individual. We started a new person today, as a matter of fact.
Riverdale makes materials that have revolutionized lobster fishing with unique processes and materials. The company applied lessons from fishing to making security fences, including some that protect borders. Riverdale CEO Jim Knott says he needs more than just machines to keep selling here and abroad.
The key to being successful both globally and in a domestic market, you have to have skilled or trained employees who are capable of making a leadership product that's better than what other people are making throughout the world.
Huge machines that can make hundreds of welds at once are getting expensive upgrades. More automation is the reason that U.S. manufacturers produce as much as ever with ever fewer people. MIT's Tom Cohan says automation and trade cut a third of U.S. manufacturing jobs since 1980. He says American employers mistakenly think of labor only as a cost to be minimized, not an asset.
Anytime some new form of technology comes along that they think they can replace that worker with technology, they tend to move in that direction. Often what that does is it overinvests in technology and underinvests in worker skills, and they end up still being the high-cost producer.
A research scientist at MIT, Andrew McAfee, says the U.S. education system teaches skills that are 50 years out of date.
We need to be encouraging creativity. I think we need to be encouraging not just the ability to solve problems, but the ability to figure out what problem to go chase down next. Technology is still lousy at that.
McAfee says people will eventually adapt to the changing work environment, much as their ancestors did when the U.S. economy shifted from farming to manufacturing. It was a wrenching transition at the time in the mid-19th century, back when the building that now houses Riverdale Mills produced bayonets for the Union Army in the American Civil War.